Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to earn unlimited amount of the Litecoin cryptocurrency directly to yourself, guys. Okay, so before I go into today's video, in case you're new to this channel, I give you daily update on how to earn cryptocurrency online, including airdrops, any sites and the likes, guys. So if you want to be part of this community, just take a few seconds, smash that subscribe button, also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos like this, guys. Okay, so the name of this platform I'll show you guys today is the litepick.io, guys, and the link to join this platform will be in this video's description, guys. Okay, so when you click the link in this video's description, you'll be brought to the litepick.io website, and all I want you guys to do it now is click on this sign up right here, guys. Okay, so when you click on this sign up, in case you don't have an account here, just click on the sign up, but in case you already have an account, just log in, guys. So when I click on the sign up, you put your username, your email address, your password, repeat your password, confirm this captcha right here, and click on this sign up, guys. Okay, but since I didn't have an account, just let me log you straight into my account. Okay guys, so I'm currently in my litepick.io account, and can see right here I currently have about 0.00005 250 Litecoin, guys. Okay, I was able to earn that for absolutely free using this platform, guys. So I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guide on how to earn using the platform. So all I want you guys to do with me, stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. Okay, and if you find value from this video, just give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. Okay, so now when you sign up on this platform, what I want you guys to do firstly is to verify your email, guys. You'll be seeing a pop-up right here, guys. You'll be seeing a pop-up right here that please verify your email, guys. But since I've registered and I've verified my email, and I was able to get a free 10 spins, guys, free 10 spins, and I was able to get double of my faucet reward for one day, guys. I was able to get ×2 of my faucet spin, guys. Okay, so we have the hourly faucet right here and the bonus faucet, guys. There's the hourly and bonus faucet. This bonus faucet will be the 10 free spins you'll be given when you verify your email after signing up on this platform, guys. Okay, so this hourly faucet works in a way that you just scroll up a little bit. You just scroll up a little bit, scroll up. Okay, just keep scrolling up. I want guys to just keep scrolling up. Okay, and you reach a page like this, guys. Okay, so all I want guys to do now is input this captcha right here, guys. Input the captcha right here, guys. Okay, so just input this captcha right here, guys. Okay, just input this captcha right here and click on this claim, guys. Okay, so just click on this claim and see how many satoshi of the Litecoin you were able to claim directly to yourself, guys. Okay, so now click on claim, and I can see right I was able to earn about 250 satoshi of the Litecoin, and using this faucet you can earn up to 0.02 Litecoin from this platform, guys. Can earn up to 0.2 Litecoin from this platform, guys. Okay, note, users with multiple accounts, guys, will be banned, so beware of multiple accounts, guys. Beware of multiple accounts. So now if I click on this navigation bar right here and come over to this faucet section, you can see some offer hours available, guys. You can see some offer hours available. So if I scroll up a little bit right here, you can see right here there's a lot of offer hours available for me to perform and earn some token to myself. The other method to earn on this platform is using the referral system, guys. So if you click on this affiliate section right here, you'll be taken to another page where you're able to get your referral links, refer your friends, and earn some particular amounts from them, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, you'll be able to earn 0.4% of your referrals gain, guys, and also you earn 5% of the gift value. So in case your referral wins a gift card, you earn 5% of the gift value. So you guys can do that. So in case you want to withdraw, come over to this withdraw section right here to be able to place your withdrawal and withdraw your earnings to your trust wallet, your any cryptocurrency wallet of your choice, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, the minimum amount for withdrawal is just 0.005, guys. So if you take this platform serious, you'll be able to earn about 0.005 in less than a week, guys. Okay, you'll be able to earn it in less than a week. So, and they'll take about 0.0001 Litecoin as the transaction fee, guys. Okay, so enter your Litecoin, input your amount, and click on this withdraw, guys. That's it for the video, guys. If you find this video useful, take a few seconds, give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you like to subscribe, just smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos like this, guys. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the very next one. Peace out.